how to book Panera Bread's fundraising event. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily book fundraising events from Panera Bread's website. Let's get started. Open up your browser, go to panerabread.com and then scroll down a bit to the bottom and you can see fundraising nights right there. Just tap on it and a new page will open up. So you can book a fundraising event at a local Panera and up to 25% of the net sales from that event will go to your organization. So the percentage of net sales and minimum sales requirement will vary by bakery cafe. You can know more about it by scrolling down. So it's for a really good cause. So you can just tap on book now and then you'll need to put in the location details. You need to choose the day and log in. You need to put in your organization details, the mailing address, promotional materials, and then review and confirm it. So that's how you book Panera's fundraising event. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Happy fundraising!